10,000 minus 3,582 is equal to 6,418. Hello smart minds, welcome back to Zippy Learning, where math is fun and fast. Today we will learn a Vedic math trick to subtract big numbers easily using base 100, 1000, 10,000 and so on. It's like magic, but all based on simple logic, and we will subtract without borrowing. Let's try this. To subtract 32 from 100, we will subtract all the numbers from 9 and last number from 10. Here is only two numbers, so subtract 3 from 9. It will be 6. Subtract 2 from 10. It will be 8. 68. 100 minus 32 is equal to 68. 100 minus 77. Less first 7 from 9. It will be 2. Less last 7 from 10. It will be 3. 2 and 3, 23. 100 minus 77 is equal to 23. Let's apply the same trick to bigger numbers. 1000 minus 392. Less 3 from 9. It will be 6. Less 9 from 9. It will be 0. Less 2 from 10. It will be 8. 608. 608. 1000 minus 392 is equal to 608. Try this trick to another number. 1000 minus 587. We will start from the left and we will less all the number from 9 except the last number. Last number will be subtracted from 10. Less 5 from 9. It will be 4. Less 8 from 9. It will be 1. Now less 7 from 10. It will be 3. 4, 1, 3. 1000 minus 587 is equal to 413. Now we will apply this trick to 5-digit and 4-digit numbers. 10,000 minus 7,543. We will start from left and we will less all number one by one from 9 and we will less last number from 10. Less 7 from 9. It will be 2. Less 5 from 9. It will be 4. Less 4 from 9. It will be 5. Now less 3 from 10. It will be 7. 10,000 minus 7,543 is equal to 2,457. 10,000 minus 3,582. We will start from the left and one by one we will less all the numbers from 9 except the last number. Last number will be subtracted from 10. Less 3 from 9. It will be 6. Less 5 from 9. It will be 4. Less 8 from 9. It will be 1. Now less 2 from 10. It will be 8. 10,000 minus 3,582 is equal to 6,418. Now it's your time. Apply the trick and quickly do these subtractions. 100 minus 67. Less 6 from 9, it will be 3, and less 7 from 10, it will be 3. 100 minus 67 is equal to 33. 1000 minus 249. Less 2 from 9, it will be 7. Less 4 from 9, it will be 5. And less 9 from 10, it will be 1. 10,000 minus 4,392. Less 4 from 9, it will be 5. Less 3 from 9, it will be 6. Less 9 from 9, it will be 0. And less 2 from 10, it will be 8. 10,000 minus 4,392 is equal to 5,608. I hope you have enjoyed today's lesson and learned something. We are coming back soon with an exciting lesson on Vedic Math. Stay with us and don't forget to like, share, comments and subscribe our channel. Thank you.